How to solve x power 8 is equal to 2. Find the value of x. So we have x power 8 is equal to 2. Now we multiply by power of 8 in both sides. So multiply by power of 8, multiply by power of 8. Now here I can compare this rule. A power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, I can write here x power 8, then bracket power of x to the power 8. According to this rule, then is equal to 2 power of 8 can be written as 2 power of 2 times 4. Now we see x power 8, both terms is same. This base and this power is same. So let x power 8 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y power y is equal to 2 power of 2 times 4 can be written as 2 power 2, then bracket power of 4. According to this rule, a power of m times n is equal to a power m bracket power n. So now we have y power y is equal to 2 power 2 is same as 4, then power of 4. Now here I can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here y will be equal to 4. Now y, that means remember that let x power 8 is substituted by y. So y, that means it will be x power 8. So y, that means x power 8 is equal to 4. Now we need the value of x. So we multiply by power of 1 by 8 in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by 8, multiply by power of 1 by 8. So this 8 will be cancelled. So we have x power 1 is same as x is equal to plus or minus 4 power of 1 by 8 can be written as 8th root of 4. So plus or minus 8th root of 4, this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 13 plus 4 to the power 13 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 13. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 13 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 4 to the power 13 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 13 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now 2 to the power 2 times 13, that means 26 times 2 is 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power. So we can write here 2 to the power 26 plus 1, that means 27. So 2 to the power 27 is the correct answer.